Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial of Creo Parametric. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component as shaft support using Creo Parametric. The steps we are going to follow is, first I am going to create this rectangular section, then I will extrude the length of 80 mm, then I will create this bigger cylinder with the diameter of 70, then I will extrude it, then I will create ribs here and here and here. Finally, I will remove this material from here and 4 holes, then at the bottom. Now, I have already created this model. After creating this model, it will look like this, the shaft support. Now, we'll see how to create this model step by step. First go to new, solid, part, untick this use default template, say OK. Choose our unit is in mm, so choose mm part solid absolute, say OK. I'm just switching on all the planes and axes. For easy drawing, I'm just keeping this diagram left side and Creo Parametric software at the right side. Now it will be easy to draw this model. First we'll start with the bottom plate. I'm just choosing a front plane, sketch view. Now we can create the center line by using a center line option. Press the roller to confirm. Now I'll take a rectangle, corner rectangle, make it symmetric, press the roller to confirm. The rectangular length is 120 and height is 15 mm. Here they have specified. This one is 120, enter. And this one is 15, just enter. Go to fit screen. This is our sketch. Now say OK, extrude, symmetric. The total extrusion length is 80. Say OK. Now we'll create this solid cylinder. The solid cylinder diameter is 70 and the extrusion length is 60, and it is located, here you can see, from the top surface the center is located 60 mm height, and from the left side surface it is located 30 mm width. Now take this middle plane, sketch view, take circle, put it randomly here. Now we need to specify the dimension from top edge to the center point is located 60 mm height. Similarly, the center point to this left side surface located 30 mm and the diameter is 70. Now here you can see this web also we can draw directly. To draw this web, just simply put one axis, then take this corner rectangle, put it here. The web thickness is 10. Remaining edges you just delete it by using a delete segments. Now again, this one is closed sketch. Then we can extrude it. Now just say OK, extrude, make it symmetric. The extrusion length is 60. Here they have specified it as 60. 60, enter. Just say, press the roller to confirm. Now we have created this. Then we'll create this material identification of rib using rib command. For that, select this mid plane again, sketch view, go to reference, take this circle as reference, then close, take a line, somewhere we just click it and connect it here. Here it has to be connected with the tangent connection. Take this tangent connection, connect it here. Here they have specified the distance from this left side surface to this edge is 35. Dimension, this point to this edge distance is 35. Now just say OK. Go to rib, profile rib. The thickness of this rib is 10 mm. Press enter and say OK. Similarly, we have to create it here also. Sketch, sketch view. Just make it reference to this, close. Now again take the line, connect it somewhere here and connect it to this point. Press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Here we need to make a tangent connection again. Select this tangent connection, make it tangent. Now say OK. Again go to the rib, profile rib, change the direction. Here you can see the thickness of the rib is 10 mm. Press enter, just say OK. Now we have created this complete model. Then we just go for material removal features. First we'll start with the bottom material removal features. Select the surface, sketch, sketch view. This one is the mid side. So select this rectangle. This is not symmetric. Just make it symmetric. This point and this axis. Press the roller. Now specify the dimension. It is 60 and height is 5. This one is 60. This height is 5. Just say OK. Extrude. Change the direction to next. Say OK. Now the first material removal feature we have done. Then we'll create this feature. Select the surface, sketch, sketch view. Take the reference, this one, close. Now again take the circle. This one is the center point. Make a circle. The diameter of the circle they have specified as 50. Just 50. Just say OK. Extrude. Change the direction to next. Say OK. Then we need to create 4 circles. Here there are 4 holes of dia 40. Select the surface, sketch, sketch view. Now here you can see this circle is located. Location of this circle center is specified here. From here to here 50. Similarly here they have specified as 90. First we'll make one circle. From this center to this distance they have specified as 90, that means 45, and this distance they are not specified. From this point to this point the distance is 25 and the diameter of the circle is 10. Now we have created one hole. Now we can make a mirror. Select this circle, mirror, select this point, line. Similarly, just select these 2 circles, mirror, select this axis. Now you can see here all the 4 circles are created. Now just say OK. Go to extrude, change the direction, make this into 2 next, say OK. Now the component is ready. Now we have created the machine component step by step using Creo Parametric. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.